Oh my, this is probably the biggest flag I've ever seen flown on a boat this size. Welcome back guys to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida, and it's a little bit of a rough day. Our captain seems to be doing well, even with this massive flag in the boat, but let's see how the rest of our captains fare as they step in the ring and do battle with Haulover. Our first round captain's ready to roll and ready to step in the ring and do battle with the beast, and it's going to be none other than a large sea hunter making its way out of Haulover, but they're at a little bit of a disadvantage. We have one motor down as this boat makes its way out, and as we already mentioned, it's a little bit of a rough day, but Cap seems to have it at a decent pace. He's got him just barely up on step, just keeping this boat. Where is he going though? He's leaving the helm. I would never recommend this, especially on a rough day like today. He's trying to grab a line, it appears, and down he goes. This is why you can't do things like this. Fortunately, he gets up quickly, but man, that could have went bad fast. Our cap gets back behind the helm, and he's going to pull out of here, but I'm going to go ahead and give this one to Haulover in the first round. And this will give Haulover the early 1-0 lead as our second round captain gets ready to step into the ring and tackle the inlet. And here we've got a deep impact. My man has this throttle pinned and is absolutely blasting his way into Haulover. And he's going to make quick work of the inlet here in the second round and take an easy win for the boats. Man, that was fast. A quick way to tie it back up at 1 apiece. Let's see if our third round captain can have the same luck. And here our boat is making its way out. But they've got themselves in a little bit of a bind here as they've got themselves trapped between two vessels and one goes down. Man, this is a dangerous situation in the inlet. I hate seeing people cross across the middle like this, and this is a tough call. Now the reality is, by the rules of the road, this boat had the right of way, with the jet ski trying to cross their path from the port hand side. But you've always got to leave an escape route, and unfortunately this captain did not do that. By the rules of the road, it states even if somebody's ignoring the rules, it's up to you to avoid an accident at all costs possible, and unfortunately this captain just put himself in a bad position where there was no way for him to actually avoid the accident from happening. Fortunately in this situation, everybody walks away, there's no injuries, but it's not completely scot-free because we are in a competition, and Haulover being a little rough absolutely contributed to this, and I'm going to go ahead and give Haulover this round. And that's going to take us to our fourth round where the boats are now down 2-1, they need to make a little bit of a comeback, and here we go. Let's see how they fare as our vessel makes its way into the inlet. So here we've got a fountain working its way in. Our guys got this one up on step. It's a heavy following sea which can make for some difficult conditions, but our guy seems to be alright. He's doing about as good as he can do. You got a couple options here. You can try and come in a little bit up on step, keep that bow up, or try and post up on the back of a wave, and he's opted for the path to try and keep this thing on step. And it winds up working out for him, and they'll take a win for the boats in this round. That'll take us to our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats or Haulover? And man, it is a big rough day. And we've got a little dinghy making its way out of Haulover, and this crew is probably in for one heck of a ride. Now they are doing one thing correctly, and most people ask all the time, what's the best way to tackle Haulover? Well, the best way to tackle Haulover? Don't go down the middle. I know, that seems like a pretty simple philosophy, but seriously, if you go back and watch videos and watch the people who hug the north or the south side of the inlet, they tend to have a little more success than those who decide they want to just try and barrel down the middle. Kind of like this crew who takes a win for the boats, and the boats take the win in this episode. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. Of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that features all the hilarity that happens to the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.